So we're already 1 month into 2026. Very clear we are starting with a brand new energy and we are not here just to make up the numbers. Welcome to the monthly memo, back for 2026. I'm going to do a video every single month this year, keep you in the loop and updated on exactly what's happening inside the business. So we'll go through some department highlights. So James and Zoe have been doing a cracking job this year already on the service desk. So well done to you, keeping the standards high and delivering for every single customer, warranty or retail. So thank you very much for setting the pace. Over in sales, our numbers do not lie. So for January 2025, we had 210 sales across the group. For January 2026, and obviously we've still got a few to tie over, 267 deals were closed. So that's a fantastic number and a fantastic increase. The December figures, 2025 to 2024. So December 2025 closed with 178, improving on 124 for December 2024. So that's service and sales. Absolutely great job, everyone. Well done. So I'm just going to mention a bit about the marketing and the digital presence that we are now trying to push on and become an absolute figure in the commercial and the used car space. So this is a serious headline, 18 million views across our platforms at the moment. So to build on that, so we've compiled our last 12 months of figures for our social media channels. So for Facebook, for Anchor Vans, there's 17 million total views. That's a huge level of brand visibility. TikTok, we really pushed on with that, much to probably your annoyance, some of you sales guys. We have pushed a completely organic growth to over 1 million views and 1,500 new followers in 2025. YouTube impact, obviously we've been on there for a long time and we've got a great history on YouTube. However, 500,000 views, 500,000 views on YouTube and 3,000 watch hours. And speaking of making content, we've been having a bit of fun with the pizza oven. So I brought it in last Monday and it got a bit of attention on social media and a few guys enjoyed some food here. However, I used it as a bit of an idea to create some urgency for the handover photos. Now, I said to some of the sales team, look, if we get a handover photo this week, or the first person to get a handover photo this week will get a free pizza on the pizza oven. So shout out to Jack who got that. He got the 2 handover photos last week and got a free pizza today at lunchtime. I drove over there, set up the pizza oven, got the pizza in and delivered him his pizza. So well done, Jack, and top work. And I know it seems very unimportant at the time, but all of this stuff pushes us all in the right direction. So your involvement with videos, your involvement with handover photos all helps towards winning these types of awards. So for 2025, obviously we won, and I have to print out the list here. So we won the Van Dealer of the Year, Used Car Dealer of the Year, LCV Dealer of the Year, Digital Initiative of the Year, Commercial Dealer Website of the Year. We were put in, we didn't actually apply for this, but we were put in by someone, we don't know who, and SME UK Enterprise Awards, we were the best pre-owned van retailer. And myself, I won the Rising Star last year, which was really nice. And for 2024, we won the Independent Van Dealer for the first time in a long time, and we were very highly commended for our used van retailer as well at the Used Car Awards. And of course, Cars has had a few other nice mentions as well. So we've got a few more awards to enter for this year, and we hope to win far more and also retain our titles for the ones we won last year. So with your help, we'll make that happen. We'll see you soon.